everyone. Today, we're diving into the spirit of Ramadan, the holiest month in the Islamic calendar. Whether you're a seasoned observer or new to the traditions, these top 10 tips will help you make the most of this sacred time. Start with suhoor. Begin your day with suhoor, a pre-dawn meal to sustain you through the day's fast. Choose foods rich in complex carbs and proteins. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water between iftar and suhoor to prevent dehydration and maintain energy levels. Focus on spirituality. Use Ramadan for spiritual reflection and growth. Increase prayers, Quran recitation, and acts of charity. Plan your meals. Opt for nutritious foods at iftar to replenish nutrients and energy levels. Include fruits, veggies, proteins, and whole grains. Practice patience and gratitude. Cultivate patience, empathy, and gratitude towards others and yourself. Stay connected. Reach out to loved ones, attend community iftars, and engage in charitable activities. Manage time. Prioritize tasks and manage time efficiently to balance religious obligations, work, family, and personal time. Practice moderation. Indulge in treats in moderation to maintain self-discipline and avoid overeating. Take care of health. Prioritize self-care with rest, light exercise, mindfulness, and seeking support if needed. Reflect and set goals. Reflect on achievements, challenges, and lessons learned. Set new goals for self-improvement beyond Ramadan. Ramadan is a time of spiritual renewal, self-reflection, and community. By following these tips, you can deepen your connection with your faith, yourself, and others. Thank you for joining us, and may you have a blessed and fulfilling Ramadan.